Excellencies, 8 years since genocide began, the plight of Rohingyas continues. Initiatives to end the crisis are lacking. International funding faces alarming shortfalls. Rohingya crisis originated in Myanmar. Its solution lies in Myanmar. The international community must put effective pressure on Myanmar and the Arakan Army to immediately stop persecution of the Rohingyas and start working for their expeditious repatriation to Rakhine. It is the only solution of the crisis. It should not be held hostage to broader reforms in Myanmar. As funding declines, the only peaceful option is to begin their repatriation. This will entail far fewer resources than continuing their international protection. The Rohingyas have consistently pronounced their desire to go back home. As an immediate step, those who recently crossed into Bangladesh, escaping conflict, must be allowed to repatriate. Bangladesh is a victim of the crisis. We are forced to bear huge financial, social, and environmental costs. Criminal activities, including narco flows into Bangladesh through Rakhine, threaten our social fabric. Given our development challenges, including unemployment and poverty, we do not afford to allow employment of Rohingyas inside Bangladesh. Towards a sustainable resolution of the crisis, I propose the following actions by the international community. First, devise a practical roadmap for safe, dignified repatriation of the Rohingyas with reasonable and stabilization of Rakhine. Second, exert effective pressure on Myanmar and the Arakan Army to end violence against Rohingya and start their sustainable repatriation, beginning with those who recently arrived in Bangladesh and those who are internally displaced. Third, mobilize international support to stabilize Rakhine and place international civilian presence to monitor stabilization. Fourth, support confidence-building measures for sustainable integration of Rohingya in Rakhine society and governance. Fifth, mobilize donor contribution to fully fund the joint response plan. Sixth, pursue accountability and restorative justice. Seventh, dismantle the narco-economy and combat transboundary crimes. The world cannot keep Rohingya waiting any longer.